beautiful people. Are you guys ready to learn about the best product on the market? Promise you. This is such an incredible product that I don't even think there's anything else out there like it. And if there is, prove me wrong or write it in the comments. But I promise you, this is the best bronzer you will ever use. It is called Bella and it's by MASKCARA Beauty. It is a cream bronzer and it is going to blow your mind. Let me show you. Look at this beautiful tin. This is what Bella comes in. And it's this beautiful color. See? Love it. And I'm gonna show you how to use it and why it's so amazing. It actually goes on so easy. It doesn't create that filmy, powdery look that other bronzers can do. It's just this perfect glow to your skin, that beautiful sun-kissed look that we all want all year round, okay? So I'm just gonna use a fluffy side of a brush. This is our B² brush from MASKCARA. So amazing, so fluffy. And this is how I'm gonna apply the Bella bronzer. You can also use like a perfector sponge and dab it on, but this is how I like to use it. And I'm just gonna go side to side until I get enough on my brush. Then I'm actually going to put it on my forehead and on top of my cheekbones. This is where you want to put bronzer. So right here, I'm just gonna go side to side as I'm applying it and as I'm blending it, and then blend it on top of the cheekbones too. And it just will add this beautiful, warm, sun-kissed glow. And you can go crazy with it. You can add as much bronzer as you want or as little bronzer as you want. You just keep building and building and building until you're happy with how much you have. You can also put it on top of your forehead, on top of your nose, on top of your chin. Anywhere that the sun hits is where you want to hit on your face. Okay, there we go. Simple enough. It looks amazing. I love it because it just gave me that like little bit of extra dimension to my face that I was wanting. A little bit extra summer glow. And now I'm just obsessed with how bronzed I looked without the harmful effects that the sun can give you. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link the Bella bronzer below. Please subscribe to this channel below. I would love for you to continue to watch my makeup tutorials, my life hacks, all of the other stuff that I have planned for this channel. And please like this video and share with your friends if you have found it valuable. Thanks, guys.